Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your FreshSales CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you import or upload your contacts into your FreshSales CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to import your contacts into your FreshSales CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's pretty common for you to switch over service providers. So maybe you want to bring all your contacts into your FreshSales CRM. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your FreshSales dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my FreshSales account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and upload your email list, what you're going to do is here on the left, click on contacts. It looks like a little person icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the contacts in your FreshSales CRM. However, if you want to import or upload one of your lists, what you're going to do is over here to the right, you're going to click on import contacts. It's a gray button, not the blue one. Okay, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and choose where you want to import your contacts from. The cool thing about FreshSales is you can import from all of these different CRMs and sources. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and just use an Excel. And then once you've chosen, go ahead and click on next. Okay, so next you want to choose, is it just contacts or contacts and accounts? So do you have information about their company? For me, I'm going to go ahead and do contacts and then next. Okay, next you want to go ahead and upload the file. So you're going to click upload and then choose it from your desktop. Okay, once you've done that, make sure that it's mapped correctly. If so, go ahead and click on next. Okay, now before you import this list, it's going to ask you a few questions. So how do you want to import the list? Are you creating new contacts? Is your list a mix of new contacts and then also updated contacts that you already have? And then are you importing this list to update your existing contacts as well? So for me, these are all new contacts. So I'm going to click there. And then here you can go ahead and choose this if you want to skip duplicate contacts. So if their email is already matched into your system, you're not going to have two contacts with the same email. So once you're ready, go ahead and click on import now. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes and it's going to bring you to your recently imported, and it's going to show any of the new imported contacts. So that was just a test spreadsheet, so there's nothing that uploaded, but if you had actual contacts, they would be showing up here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to import or upload your email list into your FreshSales CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.